What is Learn Photo Editing? Learn Photo Editing is a detailed, comprehensive, step-by-step video guide what will teach you everything you need to know to take your photographs to another level. It is created by a guy called Patrick, who is himself a photographer and professional graphic artist. By using the tips and techniques mentioned in this program, you can make any photograph look stunning and professional, all by yourself. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. What does the program include? The entire program is divided into about 35 Photoshop tutorials that will teach you everything you need to know about photo manipulation and retouching. All the tutorials are in video format and are around 30 to 120 minutes long. Since these are Photoshop tutorials, a basic knowledge of Photoshop is needed to make the most of this program. Click the link below to visit official site. What are the benefits of the program? Once you purchase this program, you will have lifetime access to the tutorials and you can watch them as often as you like, without paying any more money. Each tutorial teaches you about one particular aspect of photo editing. You do not need to be a professional photographer to make the most of this program. Your purchase is protected with a 60-day money-back guarantee. How does it work? Is it a scam? Persons who wish to access these lessons are required to sign up for membership. Lifetime membership is available for a one-time fee of $37. A reduced price of $27 is on offer for a limited time. Signing up will take persons to the members area where they will get access to all the tutorials. The price will increase as more lessons are added. LearnPhotoEditing.net is no scam. What are the disadvantages of the program? The purchase does not include a Photoshop license key. So you are either limited to working with the 30-day free trial of Photoshop or paying money to buy the full version of Photoshop, which, to be honest, is not very cheap. This is a time-consuming program and you will achieve the full benefit of it only if you're dedicated and committed to learning photo editing. For more information, click the link below.